Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to have you back. Today we are bleaching my roots. First off, I just want to say thank you for being here. If you are subscribed, then double stars for you. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Why don't you? So to bleach my hair, what I have been using is the Ion Color Brilliance Cream Bleach, along with the Ion Color Brilliance 40 volume developer and the Ion additive. So I used 2 ounces of bleach this time that I was doing my hair, along with 2 parts developer, which means I put 2 ounces of bleach, 4 ounces of developer. Mix that in my large plastic bowl that I got from the 99-cent store. Mix that together. Then I add my step 1, which is a Olaplex dupe that protects the hair from breakage and damage. I think this works really well, so I definitely endorse it and I encourage you to try it. If you are using it with a bleach, then just know that it will dilute your bleach by 10 volumes, so your 40 volume will become a 30 volume developer. So I started by sectioning my hair from one ear to the other, and I put that section up into a clip. Then I'm using a clean brush to section each layer of hair, and then applying that bleach liberally to my scalp. One thing I want to advise you is that bleach will burn your skin, so it's very important to not do this on clean hair. The best time to do this is a week after you've washed your hair. That way, oils have built up on your scalp, and your scalp will be protected by those oils. So I continued to section my hair, applying liberally. It's very hard to see in the back, but with the help of this camera, I was able to see some. Now, doing it yourself, mistakes will be made, and as you can tell, mistakes were made in my hair. You do want to wear gloves when bleaching your hair. I forgot to wear gloves, and you will see later on in the video the results of not doing that. It burns your skin. Alright guys, I'm done talking like a robot. I'm ready to share my real personality. As I got to the top section of my hair, I did part that in half just to make it more manageable, but I think I was all over the place, so I was kind of a messy. However, it still turns out well. Now, ideally, you wouldn't overlap the bleach, you would just keep it to your roots and not get it onto your bleached hair. However, nobody's perfect. I'm not perfect. That's where I think the Ion additive comes in handy to protect those overlapped bits. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Whoa, 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 whoa. Right there you can see I missed that whole section. We'll go back and fix it up later. To do my hair entirely, it took 20 minutes, and then I let it sit on my hair for 20 minutes, and then I rinsed it out. And when you rinse that out, you do not want to shampoo it. You want to rinse out the bleach with water and then apply your step 2, and let your step 2 sit on your hair for 10 minutes. There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. Well, I wonder what they're doing now as I march all day. Now to do the front portion of my hair that I'd sectioned off previously, I start at the right ear and then I move all the way around clockwise till I get to the other ear. So what I did this time when I was rinsing out my hair was I rinsed out that bottom section. And then I waited another 10 minutes before I rinsed out this top by my bangs. So everyone's hair is different, and just because 40 volume and ion work on my hair, it's not a guarantee that it'll work on yours. So I recommend doing a strand test before endeavoring to bleach your entire head of hair. Also, if you have a friend to help you, that's ideal. But I think in total, bleaching my hair myself with the supplies that I bought from the store, I believe I spent about $35 to $40, and the supplies last for 2 bleaching sessions, so it's about $20 each time I bleach my hair and tone it. I usually tone my hair with Wella T18. However, it is damaging on my particular hair, and I find that my hair dries out after toning it. So I found a new drugstore toner that I have used once, the L'Oreal Paris Cool Blonde Lip Gloss One-Step Toning Gloss, and it's basically a purple conditioner, but I found it works just as effectively as the Wella T18, so I'll be showing that in another video. Once I'm done, make sure you apply the bleach to the perimeter of your scalp so you don't miss spots and get dark patches. Now, the other important thing is to go back through your hair and look for any spots that you missed. And there you can see I missed a huge section of brown roots. So I'm going back in with the bleach and touching up those spots. And this is also important to note that it's better to have too much bleach than not enough, because imagine if I had run out of bleach and had those spots. That would be a disaster. So make sure you purchase enough bleach if you are going to be doing this yourself. And then once I touch that up, I clipped my hair on top of my head and I waited 20 minutes. So in total, the bleach was on the back of my head for 40 and the front of my scalp for about 30 minutes. I'll show you in a minute what my hair looked like before I rinsed it out, because the bleach is white and it does tend to make the hair look lighter than it actually is. So when you're testing your hair, pull some of the bleach off and look at the actual color. See, as you can see, it's a little gold, and that's fine. I'm not going for a perfect platinum. I bleach my hair so often that perfection isn't important to me. You could even see there's a tiny spot of brown where I missed. And now here's the final result. I did bleach my eyebrows. Oh well. It worked out fine for me. I don't think it's safe for people to do though, so I don't recommend doing it yourself. But look, I'm showing you the spots where I missed earlier and they worked out. they bleached, and it looks pretty even. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in the next video to review that toner. Bye guys.